friends, this is CA Sukhman from PA Wealth and Investment Services Group. आज हम बात करेंगे दो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग फंड्स के ऊपर. बोथ ऑफ दीज फंड्स आर टेक्नोलॉजी फंड्स. दैट इज ये फंड्स इन्वेस्ट करते हैं मेजर आईटी कंपनीज में. So watch this video till end to know why these funds should be part of your investment portfolio. IT sector of India has been a huge wealth creator over last 5 years, and further ahead this sector can grow exponentially. Over last 5 years, companies like TCS, Infosys, HCL Technologies and Tata Elxsi and among many others have generated huge profits, and that too quality profits. So further also you can expect that technology sector is going to be a good wealth creator for the investors. And if you are investing in mutual funds, then you should include technology oriented funds in your investment portfolio. Firstly, let's see the SBI Technology Opportunities Fund. This fund aims to provide investors with the opportunities for long-term capital appreciation by investing in diversified portfolio of equity and equity-related securities of technology and tech-related companies. ये फंड के पास मिनिमम 80% ऑफ द फंड इन्वेस्ट होगा स्टॉक्स ऑफ द कंपनीज इन द टेक एंड टेक रिलेटेड सेक्टर्स, एंड द फंड हैज द फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी कि वो 20% अदर देन आईटी कंपनीज, अदर देन टेक्नोलॉजी स्पेस में इन्वेस्ट करे. The AUM of the fund as on 30th November 2021 is rupees 2062 crores. Now let's see the returns generated by SBI Technology Opportunities Fund over different tenures during last 10 years. तो इसको देख के आपको जरूर लगेगा that why a technology oriented fund should be a part of your investment portfolio. ये है comparison SBI Technology Fund का with the S&P BSE 500 index. So अगर हम एक साल की रिटर्न देखें, it has been huge 64.07% against 32.38% the index return. Over 3 years it is 40.97% against 20.65% of the index return. अगर हम 10 years का भी compare करें fund versus the index, it is 22.28% versus 16.69%. So evidently the IT sector has huge growth potential ahead too. The previous over last 10 years it has been a huge wealth creator. So this type of fund, that is technology oriented fund, should be a part of your overall investment portfolio. So how your investment would have grown if you had invested through SIP or lump sum in this fund. So पिछले 5 सालों में अगर आप SIP करते इस फंड में, SIP के अमाउंट हम लेते हैं 1 lakh per month. Total investment over 5 years is 60 lakhs. So the market value by investing in this fund would be 1 crores 52 lakhs 63,500. तो annualized return आती है 38% के around. This is a very good growth. And अगर आप lump sum में भी जाते हो, the CAGR of the fund over last 5 years had been 29.5%. So अगर आप 10 lakhs invest करते इस fund में, उसकी value अब होती 36 lakhs 43,100. ये हमने पिछले 5 सालों का comparison आपको दिखाया है if you had invested in this fund by SIP or by lump sum. Now let's see what companies are included in the portfolio of this fund. So by investing in this fund, you get an opportunity not only to invest in the IT sector of India, but you get an opportunity to include the foreign IT companies as well. So अगर हम देखते हैं top 10 holdings of SBI Technology Opportunities Fund. So Infosys contribute करता है 21.22% of the portfolio. HCL Technologies is 9.09%, Alphabet 8.92%, Tech Mahindra 6.82%. So it also includes Microsoft Corporation in its portfolio, other quality companies like TCS, L&T Infotech as well. So the portfolio is segregated not only in the Indian IT sector but in the the US IT sector as well. And we can't say US, these are the global growing companies. The fund manager of SBI Technology Opportunities Fund is Mr. Anup Upadhyay. By qualification, he is a BTech and PGDM. He has over 13 years of experience in the area of financial services. उन्होंने join किया था SBI Funds Management in May 2007 as an analyst, and he is a head of research, and currently he is also a fund manager in various other schemes. So the second fund which I'm going to talk about is ICICI Prudential Technology Fund. This fund has also the similar type of allocation strategy. Minimum of the 80% of the portfolio shall be invested in the technology and technology related companies, and up to 20% can be invested in other companies, other sectors. So this is by ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund. It is an open-ended equity scheme investing in technology and technology-related sectors. The return, the CAGR of the fund since its inception is 13.96%. The fund got launched in March 2000, and currently its AUM is rupees 7,387 crores. So again, let's see how this fund has performed in relation to the index returns over last 10 years in different tenures. So the trailing returns, the 1-year return has been 73.09% against the index return of 32.38%. 46.58% is the 3-year return against 20.65% index return. Over 5 years, 34.53% is the return of this fund, and against 18.38% the index return. And over last 10 years as well, the performance has been really good. It is 26.30% against 16.69% index return. Now we have taken 10 years illustration for this fund. Let's see the SIP performance. If you had invested for 10 years in this fund, the SIP amount taking to be 1 lakh per month. Total investment comes to be 1 crores 20 lakhs. Over last 10 years, the market value of this investment would have been 5 crores 17 lakh 54,200. The annualized return comes to be 27.53%. And if you had invested a lump sum amount of rupees 10 lakhs in last 10 years, then the market value of this investment over 10-year tenure had been 96 lakhs 14,330 rupees. So annualized return is 25.40% per annum. So now you can see, if you had included this fund in your investment portfolio over long term, then you had a very good opportunity of growing your wealth at this rate. Now let's see the top 10 holdings of ICICI Prudential Technology Fund. If you differentiate the portfolio holdings of these two funds, that is SBI Technology Opportunities and ICICI Prudential Technology Fund, the major difference currently in the portfolio is the investment in US equity by SBI Technology Opportunities is around 23%, and by ICICI Prudential the allocation in US equities is around 10%. So if we look at the top 10 holdings, it includes top 10 holdings of ICICI Prudential Technology Fund. It includes major IT companies of India. 22.3% of the portfolio is allocated towards Infosys, 8.97% TCS, and the other top holdings include Tech Mahindra, HCL Technologies, Persistent Systems, Wipro, Mphasis, Cient, Coforge, and Birlasoft. So 78.24% currently कंपनी का invested है software sector में, 5.17% in the telecom services, 4.31% is the IT consulting and other services. So as displayed in this graph, the top 10 sectors in the portfolio of ICICI Prudential Technology Fund include more than 78% in the companies in the IT sector. So the further related sectors include telecom services, IT consulting, application software, among other services. So similarly, ICICI Prudential Technology Fund has also investment strategy to obtain long-term capital appreciation for the investors by investing in equity and equity-related securities of tech and tech-dependent companies. Moreover, a large share of the AUM will be invested in the stocks under the benchmark index. इस फंड के फंड मैनेजर हैं मिस्टर वैभव दुसर. He is managing this fund from May 2020 and has over 9 years of experience. He has done BTech, MTech and MBA. Prior to joining ICICI Prudential AMC, he has worked with Morgan Stanley, HSBC Global Banking and Markets, CRISIL, Zinov Management Consulting and Citibank, Singapore. So if we conclude, the investment strategy of both these funds is strong. Both have orientation to the major IT sector of India as well as the US equities. So you get the exposure of not only Indian equities but also the US equities. And both of these funds are for long-term capital appreciation of the investors. So these should be on your watch list. That's all for today. If you want to know more about these funds in detail, visit our blog. The link is given in the description box below. Like, share and comment on this video and subscribe to PA Wealth YouTube channel for more investing ideas. This is CA Sukhman signing off. Keep investing and keep watching our videos.